You sit down to your favorite meal, take a bite, and wait for that familiar hit of flavor. But instead, nothing. It tastes like chewing on wet cardboard. It is a terrifying, isolating experience. Suddenly losing a major sense throws your brain into high alert. But today, we will walk through exactly why this happens, how to track your own specific symptoms, and the concrete steps you can take to fix it. We usually think of tasting as something that happens entirely on the tongue. In reality, it relies on a delicate biological circuit, your taste buds, your nasal cavity, and the cranial nerves wiring them to your brain. Because they are interdependent, if one wire is damaged, the entire perception of flavor shuts down. Look at this chart breaking down how we process food. Notice that massive 80% slice? That represents your olfactory receptors. Only 20% of the work is done by your tongue. Remove that 80% smell factor, and a perfectly cooked steak collapses into nothing but physical mass. So when your food loses its taste overnight, your mouth is usually fine. You are actually experiencing a glitch somewhere inside that wider, multi-organ sensory network. The most common culprits behind this glitch are viral infections. Viruses actively infiltrate the body and inflame those delicate nerve endings responsible for smell and taste, effectively cutting the transmission line to your brain. Sometimes, as those nerves try to heal, they cross their wires. This results in parosmia, a condition where perfectly normal foods suddenly taste distinctly like burnt plastic, harsh industrial chemicals, or metallic pennies. Then we have nutrient deficiencies. Human taste buds have a strict biological life cycle. Every 10 to 14 days, those cellular clusters naturally die off and are completely replaced by new ones. This rapid regeneration requires specific fuel. If you drop your zinc levels too low, that cellular assembly line grinds to a halt. The old taste cells die off, new ones fail to grow in their place, and your sense of flavor quietly fades. There are other quiet disruptors at play too. Untreated thyroid disease, side effects from daily prescription medications, or even severe dry mouth that prevents saliva from breaking down food particles so your receptors can read them. Because the failure points range from temporary viral inflammation to long-term systemic deficiencies, identifying your precise biological trigger is the only path to a cure. Here is the strict timeline rule to remember. If you experience any degree of taste loss that persists for more than 3 months without improvement, waiting is no longer a strategy. You need active medical investigation. Right now, do a quick self-check to classify your symptoms. Are you experiencing a complete void of flavor? Is it partially reduced and muted? Or are you dealing with the chemical distortions of parosmia? Take a second and drop your specific flavor distortion or your timeline in the comments below. Seeing how many people share your exact symptoms proves you are not going through this alone. Tracking these specifics creates the essential evidence-gathering phase your doctor will rely on to successfully intervene. When you do see a doctor, the clinical process is straightforward. They will usually start by running simple lab panels to specifically check your zinc, thyroid function, and B12 levels. They will audit your daily medications for known side effects, and they might refer you to an ear, nose, and throat specialist to look for physical blockages. There is one critical exception. If you experience sudden, complete taste loss immediately following a physical head trauma, do not wait. You need emergency medical evaluation that exact same day. Excluding that kind of acute trauma, evaluating taste loss is a highly structured process that successfully resolves the majority of underlying causes. While you wait for those medical appointments, there are biological interventions you can start today. Aggressively hydrate to combat dry mouth, and consider taking a targeted 15 to 30 milligram zinc supplement. You can also begin a neurological therapy called smell training to manually wake up your dormant sensory receptors. The method is simple. By deeply sniffing 4 specific strong scents, like rose, lemon, clove, and eucalyptus, twice a day, you actively force your brain to rebuild and reconnect its neural flavor pathways. It takes time, but your body is not permanently broken. This biological system is highly resilient, and it often just requires a targeted reset. No one should have to navigate frightening health changes in the dark. Hit subscribe to join us, and we will keep helping you translate your body's warning signs.
Keep your smile bright, give this video a thumbs up, share the health tips with your friends, and let us know what you think in the comments. Live healthy.